Oh my god, your gingerbread man looks like a psychopath. He looks like he wants to die.
That looks like poop. It's Vlogmas Day 17.
It's the dream. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring out, jingle bells roll.
So my outfit for today is a very lazy day outfit. I'm just trying to look decent enough to go out and run errands, and we're not going to like Walmart or something. So I have my hair in a clip with some dry shampoo, no makeup, same jewelry as every day. This black and white striped t-shirt is either from Target or Forever 21. I don't remember. And then I have on these black leggings from Pink. My black and white Vans. I haven't worn these in so long, but they look better than checkered with the stripe, and they look better than my all black slip-ons. And I was gonna wear Converse, but I wanted to wear these. Once Joey gets home from his wheelies and stunts, we are going to run to Barnes & Noble so I can get the rest of my Secret Santa gift for work. I'm just going to get a $10 Barnes & Noble gift card. Then we're also going to grab some dinner. Probably going to get some Panda again, Joey's favorite. And then we're going to come home and make a gingerbread house. For lunch today, I made myself a tuna sandwich and some pickles. Time for the dog's advent calendar. We're on day 17. Another green bone. Okay, ready, Marley? Good job. You've had 16 days of practice. Ready? Okay, well, you need more practice. Time for our day 17. Another day, another treat. Christmas time cannot be beat. The little Santas. So I did some cleaning earlier today, and Sundays usually are cleaning day / lazy day, which kind of sounds, counterproductive, but that way throughout the week we can not have to worry about it. So we'll like throw laundry in and do some dishes, vacuum, do the trash. Usually have to sweep again because the dog's hair is everywhere. And that way, by the end of the week, the house is usually a mess somehow. So we always try to pick up a little bit on Sunday. And then I didn't get a chance to wrap any more gifts today, but I'll get to that hopefully sometime this week. I have my work Secret Santa tomorrow. During our work team meeting, we kind of have like a Christmas party, and so we all drew names and it was random, and so we have a $20 limit, and we all have the same bag, same wrapping paper, as you guys might have seen in a previous vlog. We kind of all have a wish list, and all the person that I drew put was a blanket and a Barnes & Noble gift card. So I did a blanket, and we're gonna go get a Barnes & Noble gift card. So I drew a guy named Hunter, one of the case managers, so hopefully he doesn't guess that it's from me. I'm gonna have Joey write to Hunter from ? On the tag so he can't even recognize handwriting. That way it makes it more fun for tomorrow. We're at Barnes & Noble. So I have my Secret Santa ready. This is a black blanket. It's like in a vacuum sealed bag type thing. And it's like soft and fluffy. And then a Barnes & Noble gift card. And then it's gonna go in this bag and we'll all have the same bags. Okay, we are all ready for tomorrow's work Secret Santa. And I had Joey write it. So there's no guessing. We got Panda. It is gingerbread house time, or I guess I should say Hershey house time, because it's a Hershey's Kiss chocolate factory. Okay, that's awesome. Chocolate factory time. So this is what it's supposed to look like. We'll see how that goes. We'll be building it and having lots of fun. It's broken. Unless it's supposed to look like that.
Nope. That's fun.
We have a broken...
You're the one who wanted to buy one. The scoring line, do not break, of course. And that's broken.
Do not break, and it's broken. We are doing great.
We're screwed. Well, this is skill level 4, and we're fucking starting off with some broken
There's different
pieces.
skill levels?
Look, it says skill level 4.
Well, that's unfortunate.
That's mad.
We're skill level 0. It says 9 easy steps. We.
Speaking French again? Yeah, a lot of pieces to weld together.
Hopefully we have enough frosting.
We're gonna eat this.
Well, what do we need it? It's gonna be uneven. Our house got hit by a tornado, and now we're repairing it and rebuilding it. So that's why it's skill level 4. Maybe they're like.
That's what it is. Yeah, you have to fix it also. It doesn't like show.
I am so. Why are there so many sides? Hey, stop eating it! Under adult supervision.
Yeah. It specifically says, under adult supervision, cut 5 Jolly Rancher Awesome Twosomes in half to decorate the front. Yeah, it's the circle you can use.
In half? Just like, psh. Do I eat the other half?
No, we need those for our conveyor belts, silly.
We're making, this is ridiculous. Why are we making conveyor belts?
Because it's a chocolate factory.
Do we need the conveyor belts?
Yes.
I volunteer just to eat it. Ow, I almost cut my finger off. This is why you need adult supervision.
Yeah, that's serious. They weren't lying. Oh my god, your gingerbread man looks like a psychopath.
No better than my gingerbread man.
No, this is terrible.
Why? Is it not a, well, is that supposed to be like a pin?
Yeah.
What are you writing?
Chocolate factory, and all I'm gonna get is chocolate. And maybe just Choco.
Choco. Not even Cocoa because of the H. There is no way that on these pictures they use the actual ingredients. Like, look, that is not even the same color.
No, like you
This
can't.
is so fake.
Yeah, that's chocolate, all right. That's pretty.
That looks like poop.
He looks like he wants to die.
He's supposed to be smiling. Does he look like that one? No. But he looks great. And Joey's over there painting. You're so concentrated.
I am.
Here's my little chocolate pot with, you know, chocolate coming out of it, I think. And that was the picture that I was supposed to make. And this is what I came up with. Since the gingerbread man is holding a little spoon, I'm supposed to make a spoon. Even better. Look at his little spoon. It's adorbs.
Moment of truth.
Okay.
This either goes all bad or all good. I'm scared.
I know, it's gonna fall apart. Because it needs to stand up. Drum roll, please. Oh. Okay.
Jingle bell, 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 bell,
Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm going to work on editing this and then getting stuff ready for work tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm glad that it turned out better than I thought. We ended up making it work and it was so cute, and then it fell over after we slightly moved the table, so then we ate some of it. But at least it stayed together long enough for the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!